Hi, today we are going to learn about the Sukshma Vyayam. In this video, we are going to learn what is Sukshma Vyayam, some of the 48 exercises in Sukshma Vyayam, the benefits of practicing Sukshma Vyayam. Let's dive right into looking at what is Sukshma Vyayam.
Sukshma Vyayam is the series of exercise done while standing with concentration on breathing and various parts of our body from head to toe. This improves health, beauty, and strength of various organs. Sukshma Vyayam consists of 48 exercises. There are 48 different asanas in Sukshma Vyayam. Let us now look at the first asana, which is called Pratna. To perform this, you need to close your eyes, move your feet together, and the body should erect. Fold your hands with the thumbs on the throat cavity and forearms pressed against the chest. Now, concentrate your mind on the Supreme Being. As soon as you have attained this mental state, relax the pressure of your forearms and palms. The benefit of Pratna are: it increases the power of concentration, it provides mental peace and self-meditation, cures mental diseases. Let's look at the next asana called Buddhi Tatha Dharti Shakti Vikasika. For this asana, keep your feet together and body straight. Mouth closed, tilt your head backwards as far as you can go, keeping the eyes open. Concentrate on the crown of your head. Inhale and exhale rapidly and strongly through your nose. The benefits of this asana are: increased memory power, development of positive thinking in every aspect, increase in rational power of the brain, curing of mental defects, increase in will power. Now, let's look at the next asana called Smaran Shakti Vikasika. For this asana, keep your feet together and body straight. Focus your eyes on a point which is 5 feet away from your toes. Now, concentrate on Brahmarandra and breathe in and out rapidly. Brain problems like illusion, imbalance of brain, low memory, etc. can be cured. No feeling of tiredness. Working capacity is enhanced. Memory power is gained. The next asana is called Medha Shakti Vikasika. To do this asana, keep your back straight, eyes closed, and feet together. Lower your chin to rest on the sternal notch. Now, concentrate on the depression at the back of the neck. With equal force, breathe in and breathe out loudly. The benefits of this asana are: vocal glands are refined day by day, laziness in the body and sleeping problems are removed, cough is cured, body becomes active. The next asana is called Netra Shakti Vikasika. To do this asana, keep your feet together and keep the portion between the feet and shoulders straight. Tilt your head back as far as you can. Now, concentrate while looking at the spot between your two eyebrows. Close your eyes before they are tired. Then open your eyes, discontinue the exercise and resume after a short break. The benefits of this asana are: improves muscular power, makes the internal structure of the eyes strong, resulting in increase of power of eyesight, cures eyesight problems when this asana is practiced for 40 days. Next, we will look at Kapola Shakti Vikasika. Join the tips of the fingers and close the nostrils with two thumbs. Now, keep your eyes open and pouting in the shape of crow's beak. Suck in the air strongly through the mouth and blow out of your cheeks and close your eyes. Rest your chin against the throat cavity. Hold your breath as long as you can. Let the neck return to the normal posture. Open your eyes and exhale through the nose slowly. The benefits of this asana are cheeks become red and healthy. Oral infection will be prevented and cured. Muscles of the face becomes active. Acne and boils stop appearing. The next asana is called Karna Shakti Vikasika. To do this asana, keep your feet together and stand straight. Now, close your eyes, plug your ear with thumbs and keep your index finger on eyes which should be shut. Your middle and third finger should encircle the mouth which should pout so as to resemble the shape of crow's beak. Now, suck in the air, blowing out your cheeks and lower your chin to rest on the throat cavity. Hold your breath as long as possible, then let your neck go back to normal position and open your eyes slowly, and at the same time breathe out through the nose. Make sure that you inhale through your mouth and exhale through your nose. The benefits of this asana are vibration of eardrum increases the purity of hearing. Diseases in the ear is cured. The next asana is called Griva Shakti Vikasika 1. To do this asana, keep your feet together and keep the portion between the feet and shoulders straight and relax your neck. Now, give your head with a jerk, first toward your right shoulder, then towards your left shoulder. Repeat this process 10 times. Do not raise your shoulders to touch your head to the shoulder. Now, go to the starting position and give your head with a jerk, first forward, then backward at the time of going back. It should touch the nape of your neck and chin should touch the sternum notch when forward jerk is given. Repeat this process 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep breathing normally and repeat this process 10 times. 1, 2, 3. The benefits of this asana are thickness of neck is reduced and becomes strong. Speech becomes sweet. Disorders like tonsils are cured. The next asana is called Griva Shakti Vikasika 2. To do this asana, keep your feet together and keep the portion between the feet and shoulders straight. Close your mouth and open your eyes. Now, touch the chin with sternal notch and rotate the head from left to right and then right to left alternatively. Breathe in a normal way. Try to make your ear touch the shoulder. Make sure that you don't lift the shoulders to touch the ear during this rotation. Repeat this 5 times. 1, 2, 3. The benefits of this asana are it is effective in throat diseases. Speech becomes more clear.
I hope you learned what is Sukshma Vyayam, some of the 48 exercises in Sukshma Vyayam, the benefits of practicing Sukshma Vyayam. I will see you in another interesting and exciting video. Thank you and goodbye until then.